Yes, today we want to look at the addition of binary numbers. Before we get started, we need to know what binary number means. We understand that binary numbers means numbers that are in base 2. And binary numbers are numbers that has just 0 and 1. There is no 2 in binary, there is no 3, there is no 4, there is no 5, just 0 and 1. Any number outside 0 and 1, that number is not a binary number. So today we want to look at addition of binary numbers. Binaries, you don't call the numbers in hundred, tens and units or thousand. You don't call the numbers in base 10. You call it the way it is. So you call it 111 base 2. That's how to call it. Now, before we can be able to solve this, let's quickly look at the rules in binary numbers, in addition of binary numbers. So when you are adding binary numbers, understand that 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1 is 1. Understand that 1 plus 1 in binary is not 2 but 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1, and 1 1 plus 1 is 1 0 0. Those are the rules that governs addition of binary numbers. So let's get started. Now we have 1 1 1 in base 2 plus 1 1 in base 2. So what do? Simply say 1 1 1 plus 1 1. So let's add that together. 1 plus 1, we go here. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So we write 0 and carry 1. So 1 plus 1, the one you carried plus this one is 1 0. 1 0 plus this one. We go to where we have our rules. 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1. So we write 1 and carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 in binary is what? 1 0. So our final answer is 1 0 1 0 in base 2. Now let's go to the next one. We have 1 0 0 1 plus, in base 2, make sure you put your base 2, plus 1 1 0 in base 2. Now let's add that together. 1 plus 0 in binary is 1. 0 plus 1 is still 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. You bring down your 1. So the answer is 1 1 1 1 in base 2. Now you try this for me. Number 3. That should be number 3. 1 0 1 in base 2 plus 1 1 1 in base 2. Alright, and put your answer in the comment section.